You know what I'm saying? So when they see you being comfortable, you know what I mean, just being yourself, it really does something to them. You know what I mean? It reminds them of who they used to be or who they're trying to become. I don't think people always know how to say it, but they feel it. See, sometimes people don't need you around to fix them. They just need you around just to see something real again. You know what I mean? See, this might sound simple, but it's real.